What's up, guys? I haven't had a good video to make for you guys for a while because it seems like every car that gets booked in to have something fixed isn't even broken. So today's job is fix the horn. The horn's stuck on. It's not stuck on, is it? It's working. The customer pointed me straight to the horn relay, which is this one. So that's not broken. We put that back because until it's broken, I can't fix it. So that's just the bottom line. Yeah. Now, this is broken, and it's because this clip isn't clipping into this, and you was concerned about that. So before I disappear, I'm gonna put that right for him. But yeah, it's working, guys. I've got my computer in here to see if there's any faults, and I've only got the engine, the airbag, the body control module, the immobilizer, and a mirror module. Don't know what the hell a mirror module is. I'll have a look in there, but nothing to do with the horn. The mirror, the body control module would have horn functions, but unfortunately the data isn't being read with this computer. Snap-on. I don't want to say nothing bad. But I'm just going to find out what this mirror module is, and I'm just going to put this right. Well, I've done it. It's kind of like lost its shape a little bit. It's not perfect, you know, but it's better than it was. A couple clips are missing. But yeah, put these 4 screws in, that's it. What's the best thing about these cars is, like, it's got everything, you know. It's got ride height control. It's got lockable diffs. You can play around with your 4-wheel drive, diff lock. I mean, like, you would need to read your manual properly. You've got your big button for your heated mirrors. You've got a fan at the back that you can turn up or turn down. You've got a little screen that used to fold out of there. Got the sunroof, tilt and slide. You don't get any auto lights or auto wipers, unfortunately. But you got more buttons there, folding mirrors. Yeah. Full leather interior that can stand the test of time. You got those chairs at the back that flip to the side to make space. She makes it a 7-seater, and this car can literally go over anything, can it? So glad to have it on the channel. It's even got memory seats on it. Come on. This is a 2000, a car made in the year 2000. Do you know what I mean? You can buy a brand new, you can't even have half the stuff this car does. This is the OBD port location on the Amazon, Land Cruiser Amazon 2000 model. Yeah, well hidden. Quick swirl around the car before we go. That's the car. Proper. Thing I've noticed is that the steering wheel comes in and out as well on this car, but it's clearly not being used a lot. It's so noisy. But the up and down isn't working. Trying to get around this horn not working, guys. It could either be the clock spring, but it's not happening when you're turning the steering wheel. It could be a wire from here to the relay that's touching an earth point somewhere. The engine's kind of cool though. I like how it looks like a 2JZ. It's got a turbo down there. the intake. Straight down from the intercooler, straight through this massive throttle body looking thing. It might not even be a throttle body, but it could be. It's got a throttle cable, this car, so and this is going to an external potentiometer. It looks like it is. Just had a hose pipe on it to see if there's any leaks onto one of these control modules underneath here. Boy, it looks dry, man.
By the way, can you repair electric aerials?
Yeah, you can change it. Well, you want to replace it?
Well, I think the aerial's fine. I think it's actually got a bit of the old aerial still stuck in the motor.
Okay.
And
yeah, I can do that for you.
It's
yeah. I'll change it out. We'll take it apart, whatever. Okay, so you have got a water leak. Yeah?
Sorry? There is a leak there, is there?
Yeah. Yes, you do. Just a little bit of water here. And that is coming in on top of your fuse box. Yeah, this module is getting wet. These wires are getting wet. Proper wet. Proper wet, man. At least we found the problem. It's the seal of the windscreen.
Is it?
Yeah. You need to get your windscreen out. So keep it dry till. Alright guys, so just make a quick video to inform you of what might happen to your beautiful Toyota Land Cruiser Amazon. This guy has been getting woken up at night, the horn just going off. A bit like that, and there was 4 things that it could potentially be. 1, the clock spring. 2, the wiring from the clock spring to the relay. 3, the relay. 4, a dodgy alarm. But the alarm on this car uses a different siren, so that's not the problem. And the 5th, if I've got to 5, is water damage, and that's what we've got on this car. So let me walk back around. What's been happening is you can see here the windscreen is starting to get a bit of rust around the edges. I don't know if that's the cause of the water getting into the car, but the windscreen is letting water into the car. If you look just up here, you can see the water, and if you pull back here, we saw water coming through when you put the hose pipe on it. Now, I looked inside of here, and you've got some wiring connectors and stuff, and the water was dripping directly onto that. So we haven't done anything more at the moment because the car is working fine, the horn is working fine, but if it was to continue, we would definitely have to look in this area because that's where it's getting wet. Alright, hope this video is helpful, and please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. It's Shannon from SB88. What a nice car though, isn't it? Best car.